Hello, and welcome to QSE Academy. In this video, we will be discussing ISO 17025 Interlaboratory Comparison. For more free resources about the ISO 17025, free templates and training, please check the links in the description box. Interlaboratory comparison is done to assess the extent of likeness in the results produced by various laboratories using the same method. Likewise, it equates to the performance and evaluation of calibration test results for a similar item by different laboratories in line with prearranged conditions. How to conduct an ISO 17025 interlaboratory studies. An interlaboratory comparison is normally composed of planning, recruitment or selection of laboratories, execution according to the plan, statistical evaluation of results. When to conduct an interlaboratory comparison. 1. If the formal proficiency testing is unavailable. Laboratories using spikes and other kinds of analytical quality control samples can effectively track the consistency of their own performance. Hence, they should have a very good picture of their internal reproducibility. If they perform well, it means that their results are accurate. 2. Periodically. Laboratories can test from time to time. This is done by exchanging samples with other laboratories and comparing results. Informal interlaboratory studies should include exchanging samples on an ad hoc basis. Meanwhile, formal comparisons could be exercises organized by a third party who circulates performance indicators. Those formal exercises are a very efficient extension to a laboratory's internal quality control program. To evaluate the degree of similarity of your laboratory's results and the results of other laboratories, ISO 17025 interlaboratory comparisons or studies are necessary. But first, you must know how ISO 17025 itself could prepare you for interlaboratory comparison. QSE Academy provides toolkits as well as consultation sessions, so your laboratory could start implementing the standard. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comments section below.